iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. Hello and welcome to the MTN8 weekend. Now then, it's the first leg weekend where we'll decide, well, not much will be decided on the first leg really, but it's Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, and it's Stellenbosch against Orlando Pirates as well. So this weekend at iDiskiTV, best believe we'll be here at 3 p.m. tomorrow Saturday, and on Sunday 3 p.m. as well. We'll be bringing you those matches. Junior Khanye, well, and let's start maybe with the revenge that Orlando Pirates still have. Stellenbosch. This season, Stellenbosch won that game, but Orlando Pirates they've won midweek against Cape Town City. Stellenbosch shy were on Wednesday by Kaizer Chiefs as well. So Stellenbosch in the MTN8 versus Orlando Pirates as well. It's the first leg. What do you make of that game, sir?
Yeah, kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ngibulise uPenedict Vilakazi.
So?
Yeah, no justice.
Chester.
Ever fethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah, Pirates ukutshelile ngathi it's like ukudla kwa Sunday mfethu. Yonke into ayithola, isalad, ibeetroot, igravy etamati mfethu. Ichicken or steak or horse. So ngamanye amagama, skillful team, very skillful team, and bantu aba responsible. Nobody can point to F with why didn't you score up among passer. Whatever decision the player take, it benefits it up. So they play as a team, they can be individual, they no longer relying on a wing back. They rely in front three. That's Pirates that I know. I wish other team can apply that. But it's sometimes get Pirates. Pirates rely on left and right, wing, forward, and also the passer. And the midfield, Undlondlo, Mfana lo Maswangai, also Mofokeng. So a Pirates, meaning yes, I think yes. When you talk about when you're in the process of building, there is something is about structure so difficult to break a so they separate. So very exciting team. There's balance in their team. Whether they score, bagwazi kuyibalance kube ne-game management, and ngawo wonke ama-angle akusiside eli-one elidlalayo, everybody futhi can score in the team. So going to Stellenbosch, watching their team playing against Kaizer Chiefs, truly speaking, Stellenbosch njengoba ngisho angeke uqale imove ngespeed ufuna uyiqeda ngespeed, especially ufuna ukucombine ngama-touches amaningi. Yes, khona ama-goal uzoshaya i-two touch kube i-goal. It's goalkeeper in the middle or goalkeeper in the side, long ball, goal. But high yonke move at the back speed, middle speed, Adams forward, you're not gonna get your teammate. Either you pass up behind or pass up front, figure late, is over intentional or releasing a short ball. So Adams, that is a very good player. Mteto in the middle, even Mgaka can play three of them. Besudlala three players that they've got speed up front. Mara now. Best to surprise my opponent. But those players, they can manage the game. They are ball players, boy three, immediately. And then you surprise my opponent, go to break the line up, Pirates are in defense. Mara now, if you so long speed, over predictable, Pirates will drop back. Amama Pola will go goalkeeper change. So, good game, good go through. I need to be honest. Yeah, Pirates and Fit is going to be very difficult to goodbye, Labo. Club Shy Pirates Sundowns, that's all. Yeah, the team that will beat Orlando Pirates is themselves and Sundowns. I think both teams, Sundowns one of the best, true. No one can question that. Question I consistent. And then but the Pirates, I know. But when you process too many good players, not only ordinary, we're talking extraordinary players. Skulmanga talented. So, my petty team gonna individual brilliance. The manga system team is these players who can raise their hands. So, just that they need to sort out in double consider pale. And they've got a good goalkeeper also was Bangladesh. So, Pirates is superior feature. So, Pirates going to win the game. I think for the game Pirates now Lakers the Chiefs is so kulmanga. Ipela first round ama game with you. Yeah, Stellenbosch ne Pirates phela first round.
Stellenbosch playing Orlando Pirates. His prediction, of course, is that Orlando Pirates are going to win. Remember that first legs, really, sometimes coaches can decide to be very defensive. Maybe try and see what happens in the second leg, but we shall see, of course. That's Junior Khanye's prediction. If you want to back his prediction, you can go to World Sports Betting, wsb.co.za. Go and bet on those matches, and good luck for the weekend as well. Last one, Kaizer Chiefs or Mamelodi Sundowns. It's a very tough game for Kaizer Chiefs, obviously. What's important for them is that they come from 2 wins in a row, which is the same thing for Sundowns as well. So, Gefanana and Joguti, they come with confidence. They come with not conceding. I think even Sundowns didn't concede against Richards Bay, didn't concede against Polokwane City on both of those matches. The Chiefs now didn't concede in the last 2 matches as well. But it is going to be a very difficult game for Kaizer Chiefs. I suppose they would be the somewhat underdogs going into this game. Already now, this season, Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, and there was some controversy about offside this, offside that, even though I felt Tuguti Sundowns was the better team in that league game this season. Shalule could have scored a hat-trick or 4 goals in that game, if we remember correctly. Let's look at that game. What's your feeling going into that one? How does Sundowns win it? How does Kaizer Chiefs get something from it? What would you advise Chiefs? What would you advise Sundowns?
Yeah, true. Njengoba ngishilo both games Orlando Pirates ne Chiefs. Chiefs nayo igame yophela first leg. Second leg it's going to be a matter of game management. Simple, without any doubt, Sundowns going to win the game. Without the question, I know somebody's OT. Yes, it's going to be difficult because of Chiefs. There's 1-2 games. You can't compare the quality. Ngaphandle quality, there's a lot of question mark when you look at Kaizer Chiefs team. Pound to pound, when you look at how the team plays, how they respond after getting Babakora, and how they manage the game, question mark maninga kulu. I see many goals. I won't say exactly the score. Ma game more than 1, we shoot maning. And also in Jobangisho, the game is going to end up in the first round. Sundowns is a dominate the game. True. Chiefs is going to play with transition, speed. Now, but it looks like buying a 4-3 because they know preparing Shiloh, they're preparing Sundowns. But they respect to Lala Nabuba and Sundowns, they're very dangerous. Ngekudlaling in Sundowns ungana midfield. Udlaling Castillo na Umar Balandela na Nabum Tanzani. And then udlaling ama player na moment. Njengayo lomfano modi somewhere out of the blues he surprise opposition. He scores. There's Ronan Williams. Angish kuti can score. Yes, he can probably. If you've got 3 forward that they are so quiet, and then if best 11 yako, ayiko consistent, ayiko that superior. I'm calling Kaizer Chiefs. You're not dominating even in the game, creating so many chances. Ayiki like game, like Babugeli 11, they're winning. As kulmanga lama kema chukulmangao. Chiefs won, but not without any domination in the game, without seeing midfield to what they can do or the front range. Jobangish, amakola vela ngenyindlela angchusa. Sometimes say, oh, why? No, I thought he's gonna pass his court. It's surprising. So the question ukuthi is gonna scare agwebantu aba organizing Sundowns now. Obvious for me, he's not gonna score. Especially Abomodi playing against, if they can't perform against Bamakwela Bachitala, Stellenbosch, Passatin, and this guy, what his name, Van Rooyen, and then you're gonna have a problem. Gulaba Fanabe Sundowns, especially Ama wing pair because this midfield they can go become full packs. A very, very dangerous Sundowns. Ngale defensive Chiefs there, the midfield Sundowns, Alende, Mkwena, against midfield Chiefs. That's where the Chiefs game is a loser con. Up front footy, I don't think the goalkeepers were safe. The game is gonna end up, Sundowns gonna win fit. Convinced yes, they're gonna win the game. And then second leg is a bit my like yes, he hope is over corner, but Sundowns going to win the game.
So what would you advise Chiefs? You're predicting that they're gonna lose. Obviously, that's your prediction. What would you say to them? How could they avoid not losing it in the first leg? Jonga first leg will weekend. What would you say to them, or if you were the coach, how would you coach them to avoid Uguti Pele with first leg Jonga Usho?
Yeah, I kunzima bekumele before iwindow period before they sign players. I was gonna advise them to sign Andile Child and sign other players. Manje it's late. Ile nto hlala uyishuthi. I need to talk about something abanayo.
Yeah.
Just to advise them. Going to this game, I need to be honest. One, tell their midfield to show up. Castillo or Mart or Tanzani, you can't be on the field with the number. Show up. Please show up so that the defense can't be under pressure. You can't give a position ball like Nidla long ball. Obviously giving them. It's free gift. And Labafana Labobomodi, you can't put the defense now Lama midfield under pressure nani. Just make sure Guti you give Ama wing back with Sundowns a headache. Give them something to sleep. Abangengani. Agube I game is over more of ibe balance. I'm sure man ngabaniga but mabagniga any ball mhlambe mangabu tropile ba pheli I wing forward yazenzela I space nkuleko noma ngaba bampass uyazenzela I space. He can make a space noma ngaba bampass for himself. So this it's Utipris. I know Utipris, yes, it might be a problem to Sundowns. But you need support Yagamodi, no, because truly speaking, even no more Rankuleo, I don't think I'm a managing at the Sundowns or even a core. It's gonna be worse because he's playing against the quality side that is so structured. So these three, if they can function, I'm a middle fit, I'm sure Nabu Mart is over Nigeria Sundowns to drop back. Besabadal, I'm sure Martin about Martin Abu Melebadlan no Castillo, especially Nom Tanzania. And Nom Tanzania drop it too deep, good Lalu number 10. Who's gonna fit Abu Modi Nabu Potsani? So yes, if they can do this, they can lose not Bataiga cool.
So you're giving them advice for them to lose, but to avoid the lose cool.
Yeah, they can lose the game. Sambi go draw. Bazagiwe. Easy decided game in S2. But in Zovangchela, you won't with how they can. It can be probably maybe with the Baba. I understand. Baba Kurashe is Sundowns score him Sambi last minutes because I would think a Kori Sundowns is gonna score. Yeah, Sundowns gonna score. Mhlambi ngabike kulo 2 mangabe bazoya ngalondlela. Igcine badlangeli 1. But kusamele bayele ePitori ne Sundowns izala eFNB. Yeah, so ayinkuleko you can't deny it. It's gonna be ipale pants. Yeah, le yabona start ball phela yabo. Ipale pants yabona masengisha kanje. Kusho ukuthi ithathe yeah, ushaye stamp ipale pants. Surprises.
There you go. That's Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs, WSB.co.za. That's where you can register, go put your money on football matches. English Premier League as well, playing La Liga, Italian Serie A. We also have the Motsepe Foundation Championship also back as well. We saw from last week's fixtures that there's money to be made there if you know your way around betting. So all the best and good luck. We do these prediction videos for you so that you can use some of the advice to bet on which team appears to be stronger as well. Of course, they always say winners know when to stop. iDiskiTV, Disky Times, all sports betting. Thank you for watching us.